The Martini. It's suave, sophisticated and sacred. It's like having a sibling who is a doctor or a politician, who the rest of the family are so in awe with it's like a Pegasus has entered the room. Okay, hit that subscribe button. The first thing, James Bond got this wrong. You should always stir a martini and never shake it, and I'll get into this in a minute. To start off, place an ice cube into a martini glass and just add some water and put this to one side. This is just a quick tip if you need to chill a glass easily. Now deep down, this is a cocktail I actually feel a bit sorry for, because I don't find the classic gets as much attention as its contemporaries, which are often vodka based and very sweet. The Martini is not, however, helped by the many different versions of the classic version. You have your Embry's, Montgomery, Franklin, Dickens, Threesome, Sopping Wet. Okay, we're not talking about your next door neighbour's swingers party here. Add some ice to your mixing glass. Now, a simple reason why James Bond got it wrong: spirit-forward drinks should always be stirred, and you don't want elegant drinks like this to look like a cloudy mess. Then add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of a London dry gin or a Plymouth gin if you want something a bit more neutral. Add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of dry vermouth, and make sure you refrigerate this, or a couple of months down the line you'll make a martini and it will taste disappointing. You're going to give this a good stir for 45 seconds. Grab your martini glass and pour out the ice and the water. With a julep strainer, strain this into a martini glass. Now spear an olive, like you're one of these people who hates them. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.